Hi everyone! My name is Carla from Shopping Apps Tips PH at welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Sa video na ito ay tuturuan ko po kayo step by step kung paano mag-request ng return/refund ng order sa TikTok Shop. Kung gusto mong malaman, keep on watching! Okay, punta lang po tayo sa ating TikTok Shop. So, nandito na po tayo sa ating TikTok Shop. So, last time, meron po akong in-order na skincare. So, para makapag-request po tayo ng refund, i-click lang po natin yan. And then, meron pong reason. Ang nakalagay po sa reason ay, did not receive package, received package, but some items were missing, no longer needed, product doesn't match description, product is defective or doesn't work, wrong product sent, suspected counterfeit, and package or product is damaged. So, mag-select reason lang po tayo dyan. Ang isi-select ko po dito ay no longer needed. And then, i-click na po natin ang done icon. And then, yung refund total is 349 pesos. And then, nakalagay po dito, select refund method. Your original payment method does not support refunds. Your refund will be sent after your request is approved. And then, meron pong nakalagay na recommended. Receive in minutes after approval. TikTok Shop balance, 349 pesos. Exclusively available for purchases on TikTok Shop and non-withdrawable, never expires. And then, meron din pong receive in 3 to 5 business days after approval. So, dito na lang po tayo sa recommended. And then, mag-upload image po tayo. I-click lang po natin yan. Ayan. And then, i-submit na po natin. I-click lang po natin ang submit icon. Request submitted. And then, select return method. Meron pong nakalagay na pick up, drop off, and self-arrange. So, mas okay po kapag pick up. Ayan, i-click lang po natin. And then, yung courier po natin ay JNT Express, and then wala po tayong babayaran. 0. And then, yung pick up schedule is September 4, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, hindi po natin alam yung exact time na magpipick up yung courier. Ang dapat po natin gawin ay i-prepare na lang po natin yung i-return natin na item or parcel. Para kapag once na nandyan na si courier ay ready na. And then, sa pick-up address ay doon din po pipick upin ng ating courier kung saan natin pinadelivered yung ating item or parcel. Okay? So, i-click na po natin ang confirm. Ayan. And then, ang nakalagay po dito is return method, pick up schedule for September 24, 2025, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then, number 1, attach label to package, write tracking number on package. You can also show code or number to courier. So, pwede po tayong magsulat or pwede po nating isulat sa papel yung tracking number ng ating package. Or pwede rin po nating ipakita sa courier yung code or yung number. Okay? And then number 2, wait for courier. Hand over package to your courier on scheduled pickup day. So, ang magpipick up po ng ating parcel or item ay si JNT Express. And then, yung refund method ay mapupunta po siya sa ating TikTok Shop balance. Kapag approve na po ang ating return. So, that's it. I hope meron po kayong natutunan sa video na ito kung paano mag-return ng item or parcel sa TikTok Shop. Kung nagustuhan mo po itong video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.